Great start by Alex Little. Really got the inside line there. He's got the advantage. The Hazel Holder running up.
Brent's going around.
Yeah, but twisty out there. Troy Lewis taking an advantage of what happened to Hayden Spencer.
No, it was not.
Can't see anything through there.
Come on, Axel.
But the one instead of Alex Little, who's got the legs at the moment, as they head down the Benny Holmes Road and Higgins Corner.
He's going to get done for black smoking if you keep doing that, Alex.
Second behind him is Troy Wheeler.
Too long. Look at it, too long.
Now he's starting to stretch out there as they go down the back straight. The front straight down there, absolutely fuming some cold. Number one NZ, Alex Little, with Troy Wheeler behind him. Rick Collins sitting in third, Hayden Spencer sitting in fourth. Ron Salter sitting in fifth. It's Troy Wheeler trying to take over on Alex Little on the outside there as they go into Higgins. Is Troy going to have enough juice? He's going to get up on the high side. No, he's not. He's going to get Alex Little going across.
Troy's black smoking too.
Yeah, they all are.
But battle is still there. It's Troy Wheeler really going to put that pressure on Alex Little.
Yeah.
As they come onto the front, I can't really see too much, but there we go, as they clear with the snow.
Yep.
Troy Wheeler still taking position, so come. Take it fast, go right around the outside of Toyota there. Right of the Nurma. How's he going to make it around? I can't quite see him. No, he's not. He's not going to be sitting in third.
Go, 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 go.
Behind there's Bruce Flag.
Just about.
This is great racing for Big Brick.
Another gear, Alex. Both bones and
You aren't finding interest in this, there must be something wrong with you. This is absolutely mental.
This fucking is.
Oh, he's got it. Wheeler taking advantage of Alex Little there. Alex Little's made a little mistake coming outside of Higgins there. So Troy Wheeler takes on the lead. The truck 44 Rick Collins sitting in third.
Those trucks are far behind.
Oh, bit of a contact there. Back number 4. He goes. He's held it all together. Is he going to hold it all together? No, he's not. Hopefully they can stand this smoke. He's made contact with Rick Collins. Wow. Rick Collins obviously showing some damage there on his right. South to Gitfield. Get him at south out of halfway. Wow.
It's a crazy race.
That's fine. Truck number 44 his right rear axle is actually floating. So I say he's broken something in there. Slipping his way around the track.
I think it was Shane spun out. I think he might have hit him.
He's out of the way racing line.
Or Shane hit him, I can't tell. But they make big collisions. Dragging something.
Right into our race leader, truck number 28, Troy Wheeler. Heading over the line there with 2 laps to go. He's got Alex Little, 1NZ sitting in behind him. And sitting in third is Ron Solver in truck 63. Truck 25 of Malcolm Little. Sitting in fourth position, and Dave West sitting in fifth.
Frank Collins has pulled off safely so they can keep this race going.
It's called that one, eh?
Huh?
Right, nice battle here.
Yeah.
Ron Solver and Malcolm Little having a little tussle through splash here. Getting up close and personal, trying to get that third place position.
Troy Wheeler has got a big gap against Alex Little now.
Yeah, Alex's last lap was 129.
Yeah, Alex is going to take here.
There's a corner coming out of the corner.
As our leader comes around the front straight for the last time. Second to last time, coming into the last lap of the race. He's got himself a very comfortable lead of 6.5 seconds over Alex Little, sitting in second position. Ron Solder still sitting in third. Alex Little is fourth. The battle is on for third and fourth. Malcolm Little going to cut the inside there, give it a little love there, but not enough to make the pass. As they go through splash there and head into the hairpin, I can imagine they're really going to battle right down to the last line. But as our leader makes his way down to the back straight, he rounds the final turn. Making his way down to the start finish line is Troy Wheeler. Take out the win from this afternoon's race, Luke Trucks. Followed by Alex Little.
Ron Solder and then Malcolm Little.
And behind them we have Dave West, Hayden Spencer. Here he comes. Tony Brand in the number 8, Bedford